Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Amy, and we're from Wild Earth.
Today we're in Te Anau on the South Island of New Zealand, and we're going to do a review of our new Leki Makalu
and Leki Cressida FX Carbon hiking poles.
So we've just finished hiking the Kepler track over the last 3 days. We covered 65 kilometres in length and over 2,500 metres elevation.
We were very grateful to have these hiking poles. They were very handy, especially on day 2 when we're hiking over the ridgelines and had up to 100-kilometre wind gusts.
Okay, so on to the technical aspects. The Makalu has a length of 110 to 130 centimetres, whereas the female-specific Cressida has a length of 100 to 120 centimetres. They're both easily adjustable with the quick release lever, which means you can adjust and change them on the go really quickly and easily. They're made of a carbon construction, which ensures they remain lightweight but also very sturdy. They have an air-gone-air ergonomic hand grip, which ensures they're super comfortable for all-day use, and the wrist strap, which is easily adjustable on the go, ensures they stay sturdy in place at all times.
So the poles fold down to 3 segments, which is about 40 centimetres in length with the ease of a click of a button. With the unique friendly locking system, it makes it very easy to extend or collapse your hiking poles, getting them ready for your hike.
So the Kepler track encompasses many different terrains, from gravel paths to rocky ridge lines to marsh wetlands and timber boardwalks, and these Leki hiking poles handled everything you threw at them with absolutely no issues. When trying to decide if you need hiking poles for your next hike, the first thing people often look at is the elevation profile. And while they certainly help with the ups and downs, particularly on the control and stability coming down and taking pressure off the knees and ankles, they make a huge difference on flat ground walking, both in energy efficiency and speed.
Overall, we are incredibly happy with our Leki hiking poles and couldn't recommend them enough. If you're in the market for your next set of hiking poles or starting your next big hike, check out Wild Earth in-store or online today for your Leki Makalu or Leki Cressida FX carbon poles today.